you planning your Sharjah trip and wondering about the best things to do in Sharjah? Then this video is for you. With this fun world boat rental service, you will find the answers about the best places to visit in Sharjah. Travel tips. Sharjah is a beautiful place for boating and tourist attractions. Fun World is most popular boat rental company in Sharjah. This is self-driving boat. If you want self-driving boat in Sharjah, don't forget to visit in Fun World. We have many types of boat for ride driving by yourself. Our company has been started from more than 10 years experience and best service provide for every customer. Currently we are doing manufacturing of the boats. We have more designs boats for selling and rental services. If you want boat manufacturers in good design and more luxury with affordable prices, then please contact us. We will provide you good boat designs as your wish with affordable price and quality of boats. We have sofa boat. We have family boat. This is new cruise manufacturing. We have Deer boat new model. We have Swan boat. Service location is United Arab Emirates Sharjah, Al Majaz and Al Kasbah. If you want for more information, please contact us.